Over the next 15 days, we're going to follow a simple, science-based routine that focuses on just one thing: supporting the normal function of our kidneys through everyday food and lifestyle choices. We're not going to discuss detox myths or miracle claims, just practical changes based on general nutrition science that may help us reduce unnecessary strain on our bodies over time. Our kidneys work every single second of every single day, filtering blood, removing waste, balancing fluids, and keeping everything inside us stable without pause. The problem is, most of us only start paying attention when something goes wrong, and by then changes are often harder or even impossible to reverse. So in this video, we're taking a different approach, a structured 15-day plan built around simple foods, better hydration habits, and small daily choices that are realistic to follow in real life. We don't need perfection, just consistency for 15 days. Let's start by understanding what our kidneys are actually doing right now inside our bodies. We have two kidneys that sit in our lower back. Each one is roughly the size of our fist. Every single day while we're eating, sleeping, and working, our kidneys are filtering blood, removing waste, balancing fluids, and keeping our bodies stable. In just one day, they filter around 180 liters of fluid. That's about 47 gallons every single day without a break. Kidney issues usually develop slowly over time, and by the time symptoms show up, things can already be serious. That's why what we eat every day matters, not because one meal can fix or damage our kidneys, but because our eating habits over time either add stress or help reduce it. So let's make the next 15 days count. Before we get into the plan, we need to understand one thing, and that is, everything starts with digestion. When we eat food, our bodies break it down, our teeth chew it, our stomachs process it, and our intestines absorb the nutrients into our bloodstream. Those nutrients travel through our bodies and eventually reach our kidneys, where they're filtered to remove what our bodies don't need. Scientists have also found a connection between our gut and kidneys. The bacteria living in our digestive system can affect our overall health, including how our kidneys work. A diet with whole, balanced foods supports healthy gut bacteria. A diet loaded with processed foods does the opposite. Now, diet isn't the only thing that affects kidney health. Genetics, hydration, and existing health conditions all play a role too. But diet is something we can actually control. All right, now, let's get into the actual plan. Every morning, start with water. Simple as that. Proper hydration is important for our kidneys because water helps them flush out waste. And without enough water, waste can build up. Now, how much water do you need? It's different for everyone. It depends on your size, your activity level, the weather, and your health. There's no single number that works for everyone. The goal is steady hydration throughout the day, not drinking a huge amount all at once. Many of us like to start the morning with a glass of water with lemon, and lemon contains something called citrate, and some research shows it may help reduce the risk of certain types of kidney stones. In some people, it's not guaranteed to prevent stones, but it's an easy addition if you like the taste. For breakfast, choose foods that give your body a steady start. Oats are a good choice. They have fiber, which helps keep blood sugar steady and supports healthy cholesterol. Add some blueberries. They contain antioxidants that help protect our cells. And if you want flavor, add a little cinnamon or ginger. They add taste without adding sugar or salt. Simple breakfast, nutritious, not stressful on your body. This is the core of the whole plan. With every meal, lunch, dinner, snacks, try to include vegetables, bell peppers, cabbage, cauliflower, garlic, leafy greens. These show up often in nutrition research as good choices. They give us vitamins and minerals while being naturally low in unhealthy fats and added sugars. Diets with plenty of vegetables are linked to better long-term health, and that is well established in research. For lunch, focus on protein, but think about where it comes from. Plant-based proteins like lentils, chickpeas, beans, and peas are well researched, and some studies show that eating some plant protein instead of only animal protein may support better health in some people. Does that mean you must stop eating meat? No, but including plant proteins regularly is a solid choice backed by research. One thing to know, very high protein diets can be hard on the kidneys, especially if you already have kidney problems. Moderate, balanced protein is the goal, not extreme amounts. For dinner, if you eat fish, salmon is a great option. It contains omega-3 fats, which are linked to heart health benefits, and this matters for our kidneys because our heart health and kidney health are connected. Supporting one helps support the other. Cook with olive oil. It contains healthy fats and is part of well-studied healthy eating patterns. Use garlic and herbs to add flavor instead of extra salt. This simple change can reduce your sodium intake over time, and high sodium is linked to high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for kidney disease. Now, the other side of the plan, what to limit. First, ultra-processed foods like packaged snacks, fast food, and ready meals. Eating a lot of these is linked to high blood pressure, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. diabetes, which all put extra stress on our kidneys over time. Second, excess sodium from salt, processed meats, and canned soups. Health organizations recommend keeping sodium moderate for both heart and kidney health. Third, added sugars and sugary drinks, like sodas, energy drinks, and sweetened juices. High sugar intake over time can affect how our bodies process energy and nutrients, and cutting back for 15 days gives our bodies a chance to work more efficiently. And one more thing, too much water isn't good either. This surprises many people, but drinking extreme amounts of water can actually be harmful. Steady, appropriate hydration is the goal, not too little, not too much. Here's what we should remember. Our kidneys work every hour of every day without asking for anything, and most of us ignore them until there's a problem. This 15-day plan won't reverse serious kidney disease or replace medical treatment, but it can help us reduce unnecessary stress on our kidneys through simple, consistent food choices based on nutrition science. Drink enough water. For your body each day, start your morning with lemon water if you like. Eat oats and blueberries for breakfast. Include vegetables like bell peppers, cauliflower, garlic, and leafy greens in every meal. Choose lentils and plant proteins for lunch. Have salmon cooked in olive oil for dinner. Use herbs and garlic instead of extra salt. Limit processed food, sugary drinks, and excess sodium. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Small choices repeated over 15 days help build lasting habits. Important reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. If you have a kidney condition or any health concerns, please talk to your doctor before making changes to your diet. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.